get up around 7. Well, my alarm goes off at 7. And then I get up. I have coffee in the morning. My husband's so dear. He makes my coffee every morning just the way I like it, with half and half and a bit of coconut sugar, which I've used to replace regular sugar. And then I get to work getting my son ready for school, get myself ready for the day, drop him off. I don't eat in the morning. Can't stand eating in the morning. I'm just not hungry. I don't like to eat when I'm not hungry. So I probably eat when I pick my son up and he's hungry. Tend to plan my meals, I guess, around other people.
So like around noon, you would say?
I'd say around noon. I'm hungry, then I eat. And you know something I've noticed, if I do eat later in the evening, say we actually have a pretty early dinner, we'll eat like 5 or 6, but if I do eat or snack later in the evening, I will wake up hungry. That's not something I usually do, but I will wake up and hungry and need to eat earlier in the day. So I don't know what that there is to that. Also, I never bought into the 3 square meals a day philosophy. I don't think it's necessary. I don't think we're built that way. I think that our ancestors had to work a lot harder for food than we did and burnt a lot more calories daily than we do. And we don't need a protein and a carb and a vegetable 3 times a day
Right.
to run.
Right.